Hey guys, it's Oliver from the Slime Lab, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my trade package from Slimy Donuts, so let's get on to the video. So, I know it's kind of weird for me to do a really short intro, but I feel like I need to make them shorter, so yeah, let's get on with the video. So, she wraps her boxes in tissue paper, and there's a cute little note right here. I'm going to read this. It says, "Hello, Oliver at the Slime Lab. Thank you for doing this trade with me. I hope you like everything I sent you. What's included? 8-ounce orange sherbet." Yes, I really wanted that one. Orange scented. 8-ounce Candyland bubblegum scented. 8-ounce watermelon gummy scented. Cool. I'm so excited. So I think this is the watermelon gummy one. It looks amazing. This one is rainbow sherbet. Then we have the other one, Candyland. So, also, we have a bag of Skittles. And a lot of candy in this extra bag. So, I think what I'm going to do first is Candyland. So, this slime is an 8-ounce. It is bubble wrapped very securely. And this looks so amazing. So, her containers kind of look different than other containers that I've seen, but I still think they're really cool. So, there's a little label on the bottom that says Candyland and her logo sticker. That's a Slimy Donuts. She tapes the sides of her containers together to keep the slimes from exploding in the mail. So, let's get on to the slime. So, the thing is that happened with the packages. So, the slime is, I think it's melted just because I gave her the wrong P.O. box address. I had to get a new P.O. box because mine was invalid. I don't know what happened to it. But, yeah. So, this might be melted because this video was a process. We have been working on this trade for almost 2 months. So, yeah. It's not melted at all. Oh my gosh. This is so thick. Whoa. And the color is beautiful. It is a light blue color. It has various foam beads in it. It's super thick and super glossy. And it smells just like bubblegum, and I really love this one. I love the light blue color. It gives it like blends well with the foam beads. It's so amazing and so thick, and I'm pretty sure this is made with glue wall. It feels like a glue wall based slime, and the foam beads give it such a nice texture. So next we have rainbow sherbet. This I believe is a butter slime, and she tapes little sprinkles to add in the slime onto the container, and they're in this cute little bag. So let's get into it. Again, she does tape them, so I'll be right back when I take all the tape off. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh. It smells just like orange sherbet. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. Whoa. Okay, so this slime is a sizzly butter slime. It is sort of blocky, sort of, and it's super thick and glossy and so spreadable and creamy, and it smells just like orange sherbet. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. So I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It is super thick and glossy and spreadable and creamy. It smells just like the name, and I definitely recommend buying this one. I will definitely be purchasing from Slimey Donuts again. Her slimes are amazing. Everyone, I will leave the link to her shop down below, obviously, and I definitely recommend that you purchase this one fast, because it is her best seller, and I can definitely see why. So the last slime that we have is called Watermelon Gummy, and again, she tapes all of her slimes lids down. This one I am the most excited for. Oh my gosh. Just, can we take a moment to look how clear this is? Like, what? So this is Watermelon Gummy, and literally this is scented, and this has been for a month in mail, and it is not even that sticky. I don't think this is going to need that much activator. It's not even that sticky, and it is a clear slime. It's so clear, and it's scented. Like, what? I love this slime so much. This is probably one of my favorite slimes. I'm putting this in my favorite spin because I love this. I love the foam beads, how they're like floating around in the clear slime, and they look really nice. This is a little sticky, so I'm going to go add some activator to it. So I activated it, and it is super thick, and it's so clear still. It is a red gummy color, like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It has pink and green foam beads. It smells just like watermelon candy. It smells so amazing. It is so stretchy, and it's so clear even though it's scented, and I definitely recommend the slime. It is still a little bit sticky, but I didn't want to over activate the slime, so yeah. Okay, so I activated this slime and let it sit overnight. It is not fully clear, but it is still sort of clear. And let's get on to the slime. So, she has her logo sticker on the top, and it is called Watermelon Gummy. Okay, so this slime is super thick and clicky and glossy. And it has pink and green foam beads. It's super stretchy, and I just love this slime so much, and the scent is mouth-watering. It smells just like watermelon, like Jolly Ranchers, and it's so amazing, so I definitely recommend this slime. So, the slime is so beautiful. It is super thick, super glossy, and clicky. I definitely rate it a 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend purchasing this one if she restocks it again. This has to be my favorite. It is so thick. I love clear base slimes, and yeah, it's so nice. And let's get on to the outro. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe down below. I will leave all of Slimey Donuts information down below also. Don't forget that I will be attending Slime Bash 2018. And comment down below if you're coming. I'll be wearing a Slime Lab shirt, and I can't wait to meet you guys. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and bye!